This is Global Ummah Unity, faith, history, and truth in one voice.
What Ramadan teaches the world about self-discipline. Every year, nearly 2 billion Muslims fast from dawn to dusk. But Ramadan is not about hunger. It's about self-discipline, self-mastery, and self-awareness. In a world of instant gratification, Ramadan offers a pause. It reminds you, you control your desires. You can choose restraint, meaning, and God. Let's explore the lessons Ramadan offers to everyone. Ramadan teaches the power of saying no. In today's world, saying yes is too easy. Saying no builds personal strength and discipline. No to food, no to anger, no to ego. It's about finding power over your own self. Without this, change becomes impossible. Fasting in Islam transcends mere abstaining from food. It connects to the soul, not just the stomach. The Prophet Muhammad said we must avoid hate and greed. Hunger alone is not the essence of fasting. Ramadan purifies your inner self, aligning body and spirit. This isn't a diet, it's a divine discipline. During Ramadan, we detach from worldly consumption. Caffeine is not a need. Constant entertainment isn't essential. We realize we can slow down and breathe. This simplicity brings peace into our lives. We learn to appreciate the small things again. Ramadan's structure contrasts today's chaotic freedom. It introduces routine, suhoor before dawn, 5 daily prayers. We break our fast at sunset, reflecting on our day. This divine framework builds true discipline. Freedom isn't doing what you want, it's making the right choices even when difficult. Modern culture pushes instant gratification, but Ramadan teaches the value of waiting. You watch the sun set and hold back your hunger. When you finally break your fast, you savor it. This moment illustrates the beauty of delayed gratification. It enhances life's meaning rather than removing pleasure. In a world that celebrates physical strength, Ramadan reveals true strength is often invisible. It's about waking up early, praying, and showing humility. Patience is power, not weakness, as stated in the Quran. The real challenge lies in self-control and restraint. Ramadan connects us globally through empathy. Muslims worldwide experience hunger together. This shared experience builds humility within us. It teaches that comfort is a responsibility, not a right. Fasting connects us to the less fortunate in a profound way. Through sacrifice, gratitude flourishes during Ramadan. When did you last appreciate clean water? After fasting, that first sip feels heavenly. Suddenly, every little thing is a treasured gift. Ramadan renews our appreciation for blessings. You don't need to be Muslim to learn from Ramadan. Discipline, mindfulness, compassion, and gratitude are universal. Even non-Muslims join in fasting and reflection. Many find a deeper sense of life during Ramadan. It strips away the noise and helps you connect with yourself. Muslim youth today balance studies, work, and faith. Through fasting, they learn sacrifice and resilience. Strong souls are shaped through obedience and struggle. This generation shows the world faith is strength. So, next time you hear about Ramadan, don't simplify it to just food and water. See it as a transformative journey for the soul. In a world chasing excess, it teaches contentment. In a world of haste, it encourages patience. In a noisy world, it offers silence and reflection. What Ramadan teaches the world is essential: discipline, compassion, and a return to purpose. Peace be upon you. Ramadan Mubarak to all.
What Ramadan teaches the world about self-discipline. Are you ready to discover a transformative way to live? Ramadan offers profound lessons on self-discipline. It's a journey that flips traditional ideas on their head. Instead of indulging in desires, find freedom through mastery. Most think freedom means doing everything at will, but consider this. Can you say no to food? When you can deny your hunger, you can resist greed. When you control your speech, you can conquer anger. Living minimally helps you shun injustice and distractions. Discipline, rooted in love, paves the path to true liberation. Each Ramadan, this lesson grows deeper within us. During this sacred month, your time demands intention. You start asking vital questions. Is this conversation meaningful? Is this action honoring God? Is my time spent wisely? Such reflections reshape habits. You scroll less on your phone. You waste less energy. Instead, you choose moments that truly feed the soul. In our busy world, Ramadan encourages you to listen to your heart. As distractions fade, you start living purposefully, not by accident. One enriching practice during Ramadan is Taraweeh, the night prayer. After a day of fasting, instead of relaxing or binge-watching shows, Muslims gather. They stand together, bowing and humble prayer. They do this not out of fear, but from love. This incredible choice offers a glimpse into spiritual connection. Loving discipline allows you to prioritize worship over comfort. One night stands out during Ramadan, Laylatul Qadr. It bears the power of 1,000 months. On this night, the Quran was revealed and destinies change. Muslims fervently seek this night, praying for mercy and peace. Why search so passionately? Because true discipline involves remembering what deeply matters. On this night, hearts unite, returning to their Creator. Charity is a core part of Ramadan. It isn't just about what we abstain from, it's about giving generously. Muslims donate to feed the needy, care for families, and support their communities. Feeling hunger helps us empathize with those in need daily. Ramadan teaches that true discipline extends beyond self. It nurtures a spirit of service. In today's world, which often focuses on the individual, Ramadan rebuilds community. Families gather around tables to break fast, neighbors share blessings during iftar, strangers connect united in prayer. This togetherness strengthens bonds. You fast and pray as a community, creating spiritual connections. Sometimes discipline flourishes in unity. As Ramadan progresses, we confront our own weaknesses. You may get irritated or emotional. That's not a failure, it's growth. Perfection isn't the goal, humility is. Ramadan gently reminds us of our human limitations. The ego may whisper, "You're in control," but Ramadan emphasizes true submission to Allah. Don't fear Ramadan because of perfection. It prioritizes sincere effort over flawless execution. You might miss a prayer or accidentally break your fast, yet returning to your practice shows strength. Returning to your intentions reflects discipline. Ramadan reassures us, don't ever give up on Allah. He never gave up on you.
Thanks so much for watching this video on Global Ummah Unity. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep uncovering the untold stories of the Islamic world. Together, see you in the next one, inshallah.